How to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004e4be in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with Microsoft services, including OneDrive. Making sure your clock is synced properly can resolve authentication issues. If that didn't work, outdated versions of OneDrive may cause compatibility or connection issues. Installing the latest update can fix known bugs and improve stability. If the latest version listed there matches with the one on your app, you are up to date. If the version does not match, simply click on Download OneDrive for Windows, follow the installation instructions, and it will install the latest version on your device. Resetting OneDrive will clear its cache and fix underlying sync or launch problems without removing your files. If that didn't work, broken Windows files can interfere with OneDrive's ability to operate normally. Running a system scan may detect and fix them. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.